Growing green cities. City and landscape enhance one another and yet are often at odds. Since prehistoric times, humanity has needed valuable space for living, working, producing and relaxing, often at the expense of the landscape. Urbanization is on the rise globally. Increasingly, people are moving from the country to the city. All these urban dwellers need healthy food, clean drinking water and sustainable energy. That's why we need radically different urban planning. A place where people, trees, flowers, plants and animals coexist. A place that produces its own food, energy and raw materials, purifies water, reuses waste and has room for biodiversity. A green city. Almere is becoming an ideal green city in the Amsterdam metropolitan area. We're making the transition from a garden city to a green city. Our residents, entrepreneurs and visitors are making Holland's youngest city also its greenest. We are building a green future here for the growing metropolitan area. Buildings grow greener, transport grows greener, energy grows greener, public areas become more productive, and sustainable technology is being radically integrated into the city. The city is changing color. Almere is getting greener by the day. In the heart of the city, a new urban area is growing on the banks of Lake Weerwater. It absorbs existing islands, foreshores and woods. The Floriade is a carpet of hundreds of gardens. It has its own ecosystem, produces its own energy, purifies its own waste, and forms an intricate grid of narrow lanes with a huge variety of routes through the gardens. The Floriade is going to be a 60-hectare urban oasis full of real solutions for real problems. The Floriade is a library of plants where every species has its own place. Each garden is an example of innovations and solutions for the green city. Thanks to the Floriade, we think green, we work green, we exercise green, eat green, dance green, have green healthcare, live in green houses, stay in green hotels and party at green concerts. The green city is not a utopia but a real urban area where ideas are tested and refined. Here we are developing innovations for biodegradable concrete, edible algae, intensive organic crops, food-producing fridges, roofs and facades that retain water, and city lights produced by fluorescent plants, insects and microbes. The Floriade is a breeding ground, laboratory and innovation center all in one. A place in the city where people, plants and animals can coexist. The results of the green city are increasingly evident in Almere and visible far beyond. The Floriade is a model city that is endlessly renewing itself and serves as an example for the rest of the world. Floriade 2022 Almere. Growing green cities.